What?
So I ordered the computer on Amazon. It's a lot fancy. It's very simple, straightforward. You get the factory throttle from the Razor scooter or Razor dirt bike. That plugs directly in. That's the throttle control. Then you go over to your blue and yellow, which yellow is going to be your ground to your motor. And then the red out of the motor comes over, goes into the blue into the computer. And after that, you're going to want to connect your brake controls. Just push this one, make it look nice. Run it back over here, plug that in. And then your red is going to be your power, which is going to run up through this into your switch for on and off, which comes back, runs through to a fuse, and then comes through into a 3D printed DeWALT battery connector. And then we're going to mount it up and secure everything. do the wheel. The difference you have to do is cut 1, 2, 3 brackets off. One goes down like this, and a plate right here, and another bracket that went, I think, over this way. That held the batteries.
And that's how it came.
Yeah, and so I mean, to make it look like this, you have to cut a couple things, but it makes it lighter.
And you can make a plate out of like a 3D printer.
Or just a sheet of metal, I mean, but then you gotta paint it. And it's just, this is the easiest way, cleanest way, and lightest way. I mean, there's 3 batteries this big on it. I mean, it probably saved about, I don't know, 8 pounds. But it does 14 originally, 15 originally, and now it does 19. So, well, that's with me on it. So if a kid, I don't know, we gotta find a kid that wants to ride it.
We'd have to find a kid that weighs less than you.
Yes, a person that is. Alright.
So that's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, I guess we get to see you riding it.
Eventually.
Alright, let's take it out then.
Yeah.
Scratch my car. Okay, you lead the way.
We'll walk it in. We won't drag it anymore.